1 zucchini grated, 1 beet also grated, 3/4 of a cup cooked quinoa.
Quinoa? I don't have a joke for that.
A half a cup cooked yellow coral lentils, and 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, gluten-free or not.
Half cup grated Jarlsberg cheese or Swiss cheese, 1 shallot minced, 1 ounce chervil or parsley chopped finely, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to cook the patties.
I start by peeling my beet and then I grate it really well, not forgetting to squeeze it inside the paper towel. I will do that with the zucchini as well.
Just beat it.
Ready? Okay, ready?
Ready.
Red lentils and then the breadcrumbs. Okay, I need 2 fresh eggs now.
Oh, right here.
What part of fresh didn't you understand?
I need to go to Heather.
You better.
Oh, Heather, Heather, Heather. Heather the hen, what have you been up to? Hey, I just want an egg. I just want an egg. Come on, just 1 or 2. I need 2. I need 2 eggs. Here you go.
This is more like it, thank you. Blue gloves, and after that I'm gonna make those patties that are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm gonna serve them with the buns because most men really like it. I personally do not. So I'm mixing the quinoa, those cooked orange lentil, and all of this with the eggs and the cheese is gonna make the perfect veggie burger, and it's so healthy and unbelievable.
These look delicious. Look at how beautiful these patties are made.
Yeah, let me show you how I do it. You know, I form them like this really properly, and then we're gonna saute them in the olive oil.
Oh.
Where is that?
That reminds me. I gotta go get it. Hey, who the heck are you? I need your olive oil.
No way, man. You know, this is Stagnant's olive oil.
I need it for something very important.
No. Come on, man. Hey, whoa. Come on, man. That's mine. Hey, that's my Honda. Opa!
Right here, the Patron of olive oils, Sagless olive oil. I have never had a better tasting olive oil than this.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
And the best part about olive oil is that it helps with cognitive function. All the polyphenols are very good with antioxidants, so it helps your digestive system.
Fantastic.
I love it.
Let's do it. Pour it in the pan, please.
Okay.
Bien.
Bon.
Très bien. Tu as très bien travaillé. You put this on the top, put your dressing on your salad. It's balsamic and strawberry jam.
And I want some.
Okay, and this is the way it should look like. It's absolutely perfect, healthy, and fantastic. You guys are ready?